Hi, my name is Suki.
Hello, my name is Sunnah.
Today we're going to do our episode of CrunchLabs, so let's open it up. And you can scan this, and you'll see more episodes of Mark Robert
And me and Suki made a little bit of this.
Well, we didn't make it, but these are like our badges. Last episode, like I didn't know about this, so then I knew about this now, and you'll get like these things, and then you get the white things, and then it will move.
Now it's open the extracts.
So yeah,
see what we have
I forgot.
Now it's open up and see what the extracts is.
Yeah, nice. So first, we will need the battery pack. Well, I need the battery pack.
Is this a decent?
And the adhesive form. I got the adhesive form. This is what the adhesive form looks like. Yeah, I need the adhesive form. Thank you, Sunnah.
You're welcome.
I need this, and we're going to put the adhesive form. So we need this and the adhesive form, and then we're going to put the blue part onto here, and then the yellow part inside here. Good. So we'll take this, and then the white part we're going to have to rip off. So I'm just going to show you this, like the white part here. That's where you're going to rip it off. So let's rip it off. Now we need the wood pieces.
What pieces?
Yes, we need this. So now can you hand me the big piece? So we're going to take the wood pieces. This is one of the wood pieces. And we will, so we're going to stick this on here. Well, we need to stick this on here, and I already did that. Good. And now we need the cardboard set. We need one of the cardboard set. And it looks like this. And then we will be, you see this part? Don't put them inside here. Let the other ones go inside here. And then now we need the O-rings. 2 O-rings. Well, yeah. 2 O-rings. And so I need 2 O-rings and the hinge. Okay, so I can find the hinge, but this is the hinge. It has like little holes on the top. You can't really see it, but it has holes on the top. So what you will do with it, you'll take this, you'll take the hinge,
It looks like it's all.
and you will take the O-rings,
Looks like it's all. I don't know what is happening.
and you'll put it on.
Oh! That's all. Hey, baby, that's it.
Right. So now
What do
the lead. So
I make it this pizza.
sorry, I need the adhesive form.
That's my pizza. Now I have to make a different one.
And we will
Now I
put
can check.
the blue part
We make that.
on
After we make that,
here.
we put this.
I'll just let you see
Yeah.
from here. If I can. I don't think I can. But
Okay.
this is what it will look like.
Then.
If you can't really see what I'm doing. So, yeah. So we needed to put this part on here. So we needed to take these and put it on like this. I can't believe that's working very well. Right now we need to get a battery pack, another battery pack. Okay, I just found the battery pack. It was on the floor. Great, and this is what I did. My sister already ripped the white part off, Okay, just figured it out. So this is what you're supposed to do. I did them with a lot, but all I want you to do is make sure it's not like this. I want you to make sure that none of them are like this. I want to make sure that none of them are like this in a circle. You can't really see it, but so this is what it will look like. This part should be lighting up. This part should be lighting up, and this should be spinning. Let's turn it off. Now we need our short elastic cords. We need our short elastic cords. They're black short elastic cords. The black.
Suki black.
And
elastic cords.
Good job. Now we need. Well, we only need two. We put one, and it'll be just like that. Now we need these two rivets. Rivets or rivets. I think we call them rivets. And we need the color wheel and the red wood piece.
Color wheel.
It's right here. Color wheel in the back, and then clip it on. And then we'll take the smaller one here. It'll be like that.
Can I try
And
it
it'll
on?
be like that. Good. Want to try some?
Yeah.
We need one of the wooden pieces. And we need the cardboard set. Need this again. And take one. Okay, so my dad figured it out because where the on and on is great. But I took this one instead, which had no on and off. But this one had the on and off, and this one is right. Yeah! So we fixed it and like took the other parts together, which took me and my dad a long time. So right now, all we have to do is take the red part, take all the red wires. What I did is this, but it's supposed to be inside. And Sunnah, can you give me the battery pack? Thank you. Don't know why. Thank you for pushing me in the chair. And well, I need to put this. Okay, we're doing this. Well, yeah. This is what it's supposed to be. I'm just pinching it. And now we need to put the O-rings here. We'll clip them on here. Like that. And we're going to put these things, these like little ones, and let's put the O-rings in here. And it's like this. So now, since I'm like kind of done, I need a long elastic cords. I think that's what they're called. So now can you close up?
I should try.
Yeah, can you please don't do that?
How do you close it?
Yeah. So right now, this is what it's supposed to be, but there are little holes, and you have to make sure that you get those holes. And this is what it looks like for right now. My favorite part. So we're going to take one of the wooden parts again, And then we need this wooden part, I believe, and the white part, and the white stuff we have to rip off. And let's put that in the middle. And it looks like this. But remember, yes, I'm proud of you. You have to make sure, like, here it says 1. You can't really see it, but you have to put in number 1. All these like black things for now, and then I will like 1. 3.
Suki, this fell.
Okay, I finished it all. And now I can show you a little bit more because I put all the rubber bands, well, black things on the bottom. So good. Boop, 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 boop. So now, we're gonna take this and we're gonna take this and we'll put it on. Well, this part, I can't really show you, but this part.
What part? Can I see?
Is where we're going to put this part in the middle. So let's put it in. Can't really see it. Good. Now I can fully close it up. This is what I did so far. Yeah, this is what's the page. So I need this, and I will stick it on. I'm just gonna do it like this. Now we're going to. We need this part. We need this, and then a control this, and then we will put this. Is there like there's like these sticky things that I didn't know about. Just take them off, and then you put it on.
But look, that was there.
Now it's like that. Oh, that?
Yeah.
I think I skipped one part. But this is supposed to go inside whatever going on. I can see it. So,
Is it done?
not yet. But let's see. Okay, figured it out. The thing wasn't working because this wasn't on. But now I think it will work. Just put your eye into it. And something. Watch that. And then in the door, it'll look like a movie. It'll look like that the squirrel is running around. So that is our episode of CrunchLabs. Thank you for watching. And if you want to watch our YouTube video, just go onto YouTube and type in Build the Suki Sunnah, because that's what our video is called. Well, this is the end of our video, but goodbye.
Is it